Hello kids, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to draw something. In order to draw something, you just need to have two caps. One is a little bit bigger and one is a little bit smaller. After taking that cap, you draw a smaller tree like this one and another tree with the smaller cap and another one. It's better if you draw a line first so that all these trees will come on the same line. Now we are going to draw another smaller tree. So now we'll take this D. If you know geometry, you will take this D and we'll connect the smaller and the bigger tree with a line. And exactly the same way on the opposite side, like this. Now maybe it's visible to you that what we are going to draw. Now draw a line like this and connect the lines with one another. Now it seems that you might have an idea. We are drawing a fish. Similarly, connect these lines. Now you have a better picture. This is the eye of the fish. I hope you like this. This is a very cute small fish. Now we are going to color this fish. First, what I'm going to take is blue color and we'll fill like this one. This fish is going to look very cute. See this one? This is very enjoyable. You can take whatever color you like you can make it red, make it green, whatever you like you can draw with that color. Be very careful. This color will not go out, it will stay inside. So now the belly is filled with blue color. Now we'll fill these small portions with red color. Hey, and the tail. Now this is a purple color. I'll paint the face with purple color. Not purple, like pinkish purple. These are the lips. See how easy it is to draw a picture of a fish. I hope you like this fish, and whatever color you want you can draw in the fish. Thank you guys.